In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change templates in Squarespace version 7.0. If you're on Squarespace 7.0, templates are a big part of how your site looks and behaves, and this walkthrough will show you how to choose a new one using Squarespace's guided template picker. Start by opening the Squarespace homepage and heading into the website builder. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. You'll land in a quick setup flow that helps Squarespace suggest designs. First, you'll see a prompt asking what your site is about. Pick the category that best matches your content. This helps narrow the options so you're not scrolling through unrelated designs. Click Next to continue. Next, choose what you want to do with your website. You might be selling products, showcasing a portfolio, publishing content, or building a community. Select the goals that fit, then click Next again. These answers simply guide recommendations. You can still pick any template you like. You'll be asked how you'd like to get started. Select the option to choose from a curated set of designer templates. There's also an AI-assisted path, but selecting the curated gallery gives you full manual control, which is ideal when you know the look you're after. You'll land on the templates results page. You'll see a count of results and filters you can use to refine. Start by applying the online store filter to preview e-commerce-friendly designs. Compare that with Portfolio to see how image-forward layouts look. You can bring Online Store back in to combine those filters, and then add memberships if you plan to gate content or run subscriptions. If you want to broaden your search again, switch back to All Templates. Under Topics, explore collaborations to see designs crafted with specific creative perspectives. As you browse, you may see a Skip to Main Content link. Use that to jump straight to the previews, handy if you want to bypass navigation and get right to the designs. When you find a style you like, open the template called Mosley. Take a moment to review its live preview, click through example pages, and note how the navigation, product grids, and typography feel. When you're confident it matches your goals, click Start with this design. At this point, Squarespace will apply that template to your 7.0 site or start a new site with it, and you can begin customizing fonts,